Once again, no? Good afternoon. Today is about October 24, no? Much more fun here in the Cebu, Philippines, yeah? So we have our own airlines, the Cebu Pacific, the Mother of All Festival, the Pichinyor, no? Then the Bis Lechon or Tasty Lechon, the CNT, no? Then Darwin Ergometer, Tambal nga dili tumaron, Heart is Pure Care, no? Operation no injection no medicine, no? In which treatment and management, no? Again, so here, again, we would like to thanks for the following, no? So here, again, for spreading the good news, it's about the Freedom, Google, YouTube, and Facebook, no? Again, thank you for your no? Trust and faith, yeah? By which, no? Just type Hearty Satina or Arwin Ergometer or stress test, no? We have an incentive or give us an earnings income, no? Again, ibalik na po nato sa about nga paghimo ko lumugin nyo ha, nga matagaan ba mong yan no? By which the trust and faith sa US, no? This is US, yeah? Again, thank you for the US, yeah? Again, so here, no? It's more fun. So we visit the mga restaurants and mga landmarks, no? In the Cebu, in which popular kayo. So here, again, Arwin Ergometer is based on the stress test, no? Exercises from the Harvard University, Johns Hopkins School of Medicine, American Heart Association, and British Heart Foundation, no? Chest pain lagi, no? It's about blood circulation, no? Again, to shortcut with it, no? Kinanglan ka og resistance, no? Or tension, no? This is called the resistance, yeah? Gimuan ta mo para ato mangguning hulbad ang stress test hospital by which ginmo tanan ng sports, no? Boxing, golf tanan, no? In which namoy resistance, no? Wa mo resistance mao na nga sakit mo, in which nga hinera makikapump mong heart, so hinera kikatangtang og cholesterol, no? So there, kaya nato ibalik lang gamay, no? Bird's eye view. So here, no? Again, the Arwin Ergometer, no? So here, Chongwa Hospital, Cebu Doctors Hospital, Perpetual Soccer Hospital, name it, tanang hospital in the whole world, no? Again, duharagin to test the heart, no? The treadmill, stationary bike, in which diri study ang Arwin Ergometer, muna tanan, no? And then we modified into 1 hour twice a week, continuous without stopping. Every 5 minutes the water station. We'll see in laboratory test. Pasado sa lab test, no? Again, ang inyong mga old, no? Boxing, tennis, golf, football, basketball. So there. And then yoga, baseball, volleyball, triathlon, karate, in which nindot kay na siya, no? Nindot kay na siya about nga malingaw mo ka, no? Ang brain, no? And then, exercise po na, no? Pero dili lagi na direct to the heart. Dili na specialized for the heart, no? Duhar to specialize the heart. Mao lagi, no? Kay may resistance, no? Or tension or break. Mao na nga sakit ya punta, no? Again, just try lang. Kay, wa naman ni siya ka ng documented man siya, no? This is about, today is about 169 videos in there at the YouTube, Google, Freedom, and Facebook, yeah? So there, no? Again, explain na nato. Again, thank you, no? So there, no? Now, naman tayo pasyente, no? Again, maybe ang Pilipino, di sila ganahan nga maayo siguro sila, by which nga maayo kini ato, maayo lagi din dito, no? Unya, og nakuan sila nga video, no? In which i-video na to, pero sa cellphone, sa pasyente, or ilahang video, no? Kay para makita nila ang improvement, in which nga, dili ilad ba, no? And then, mo lagi na 1 hour after of improvement, undango na to, you're wasting the money, the patient, no? Ana na to kayo, Nick. Niya karon nawa naman na to ang pasyente, I don't know, no? Maybe nga di lagi sila ganahan nga maayo din dito, no? Again, karon mag-upagid sa Cebu, no? The CCTV camera, no? Dili lang sa LBC, no? Again, maupagid ako, human ng Arwin, no? Human ng Heart is Pure Care, by which lagi, no? So here, again, now I'm promoting, helping the government, supporting the tourism, no? Again, ang akuan is about Cebu City, Mandawi, ang Lapu-Lapu, no? In which mo na to ang makuan. And then, maybe this invitation, ano? Nga, basta whole Cebu, yeah? Whole Cebu. Again, gawa na kita'y money, kasuporta na ni, no? In which lagi nga, tambal lagi din dili tumaro, no? So here, again, can browse the Google, no? Again, thank you for the Google and Facebook, no? Today, October 24, no? Again, I would like to thank, no, from the freedom, no? From the deep of my heart, no? Today's about freedom. When do I get paid by Freedom? So here, no, Freedom Partners paid monthly, no? Monthly, January motorized, no? There. So there, no? Again, suggest hearty sa tina ni siya, no? So here, no? We do not withhold any taxes, yeah? 30% of your earnings due to USA tax laws, but Hong Kong for its tax efficient laws, no? Pay you 100% of everything you earn, no? Again, because of the advertisement, no? And then, mo lagi na the trust and faith, yeah? So if you earn $1, then we pay you $1, no? So minimum payout, yeah? Minimum payout, no? Again, PayPal, no? PayPal account, people all account, yeah? Again, nagpadamang ko nila atong 22, by which nga nihangyo ta nga pwede ba Western Union, but ni message sila nga dili ko no wapas lakas wipe, but PayPal lang ko no. Again, by Monday makaulos siguro ta kwarta nga para pa-deposit sa bangko, by which nga makakuha ta sa ma-receive na nato atong 3 checks, no? In the freedom, no? So here, again, the check, no? Ang payment nila, check and direct deposit. Check and direct deposit. Again, this one, no? I'm very proud because of the trust and faith, you know? Dili ni siya. It's about money, no? So here's the YouTube, yeah? Sa YouTube, no? It's about the first ni na kung ako, no? Again, 0 pag yun, no? There. 0, no? 0 likes. 0 favorite added, subscribes, and then 0 total estimated earnings. Total estimated earnings 0, no? That was November 27, 2013, December 26, 2013. So here, no? Created November 19, 2013, no? Again, this is the overview. So here, no? Again, mao niya itong documented lagi nito na, no? By which, karon, no? Kagabi man ni siya. Here, the date, no? So, ato ibutang ang date ini here. No, October 21, no? October 21. We reach here, no? Again, our advertisement earnings $27.84, no? $27.84. Then, 1,069 videos, no? Earnings income, 27.84, no? US dollar, no? 10.23.14. Again, to YouTube, no? Thank you for the support, yeah? For giving this one, yeah? Again, so karon dito ta sa freedom, no? Again, I'm really proud, thankful for the freedom, no? Again, by Monday, no? Ako na mahatag ninyo ang ako ang PayPal account, yeah? So here, no? Hearty Satina, inbox alert, no? Hey, Hearty Satina, no? We have for you, please, for chat, no? Thanks, no? So here, unfortunately, have not been paid for previous months added PayPal letter. I-added na ko na to PayPal, no? PayPal, the only method of payment at the moment. Thank you, Danny, no? So here, added PayPal letter, no? So mo nilang word of payment niya, in which kagabi it's about nga I'm really thankful to God, no? So again, daily growth, Hearty Satina is about 20% increase, no? Nakasabot lagi ang tao based on the stress test in the hospital. So here, no, the letter heartysatina@gmail.com. Today is Thursday, 23rd of October 2014. Here, no? Again, there, no? Thank you so much, yeah, for trusting me. Hindi po na your payments, yeah, here. Again, mo niya itong payments, no, nga pauno na, ipadana nila, ipaabot lang na ito itong PayPal account, no? So here, Hearty Satina, no, month, September 2014, dashboard, no, again, earnings, and we report, no, here, the US dollar, no, again, wala nagibutang, paid, no. So here, August 2014, no, again, earnings upon US dollar there. July 2014, again, US dollar there, no. Your payments, no, here, again, US dollar, in which, no, nga, natay kwaunon nga check, no, nga money sa freedom, no, again, by Monday, hope makabaro tagwartani nga makadeposit sa bangko kay PayPal malagi. I thought nga pwede ra Western Union, but dili magiguno, no. Again, thank you, Danny, no. Again, so here, again, thank you lots more, no. So here, the Arwin ergometer, no. So again, sa Arwin ergometer nga, in which masabtan pagid sa taos, no. So here, again, so, tindutin. We are in the showroom, yeah, again, in the showroom at the Rodriguez Street, no. Telephone number 253-4581. So there, atong gipapilit na lang yun, no. Treadmill, stationary bike, no. And then, we base here, the Arwin ergometer is based in this one, no. Again, Arwin ergometer, tambal sa tanang sakit, dili tumaro, no. By which, no, hopefully, nga maka-upload pa kita sa November 16, nga to atong kuan niya, wa man madayon sa atong lahat no by which nga wa mo pud siya mobalibad iniling na ko lang yung marani no mo ta totong source of para again kumukuan ka sa Arwin Ergometer just naalantay ko kanang TV nga gamay na monitor no in which nga all the patients in there no ako unique lagi kini akong Arwin Ergometer dili ni mga sexy in which dili mga gwapo mga gwapa in which nga the oxygen machine no oxygen tank wa na dili ka ginawa no ana nako pero ako ipakita ninyo which mo lagi documented with evidence no ana ko ka pure care no again karon nga giwad-an man tag support no especially the financial and then giribag-o na pud nato ang ato ang kanang sa marketing and sales and marketing no in our lot no in which nga tarpaulin na pud nato ron so here no again Twin B print ads no ads corporation by which niyang yukos ko ma'am this is the last no this is the last by which og di magani mahalin within 1 month di na kumukuha na no in which fault gid ko again kay na fault man ko to primero matud pa nila sa about nga dili magaling matag-an no maybe God give me more than siguro malagi ni kay kini ako kasing-kasing in which tabang gitaon sa mga pobre no dili gid ni para sa dato by which pod nga sakitan na po siguro kay musikat mangud ta no musikat by which musikat may kumapatay pug kuan laling mga kag-Arwin Ergometer di na mahalin kay ang tambal di na kay mo hospital ang tao by which kana naman no it's about money no again dili niya sikat ka diotra but mapatay ta in which I accept already no my life here no here gahi mangugay no again wa kita no in which lagi nga ako mama no nga nung malang ihatag lagi ni mong heart no may which nga nawa atong patient no in which nga gitagaan to sa para maka research kita sa lahat no nga mo lagi ni through research and study no di na basta-basta and then the marketing no again God knows and thank you and good afternoon.